Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 13th of March 2018. Okay guys, let's talk about the today's signals, and this is the signals report that I have sent to my subscribers in the morning. So let's get started with EURUSD. So today I was bullish on EURUSD and I have provided the bullish entry from 123,290. So guys, you can see a very clear bullish trend on EURUSD today, and it has even breaks the barriers of the targeted price that I have mentioned in my signals report, 123740. So this is the first signal of my signals report. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions on EURUSD today, they should be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about another pair, which is the second pair of my signals report, New Zealand USD. 073233 was the bullish entry from my side, and you can see that today the market has gone up as predicted in the morning, and it went up towards the targeted price 073510, and it hit the target today. So overall guys, still it's in a bullish trend, so it has again chances that it can hit the targeted price 073510. So overall the first two pairs went quite successful. Now let's talk about the third pair, which is Great Britain Pound USD. This is the third consecutive signal that hit today. 138290 was the bullish entry from my side. Pound was strong from my side today, and you can see that today it has clearly went up as per the prediction report. So the targeted price was 139339, and it has even went upward beyond the barriers of the targeted price. So overall guys, if you have taken the just 3 trades out of my signals report, then I'm sure that you must be in very good profits as per the signals report. Even the fourth pair, USDJPY, let's talk about it. Okay, so I was expecting a drop today, and first of all it has taken a U-turn. In the early session of the day, the market was moving up, and then it has taken the U-turn and it has went down from the entry 106713. This was the time to enter into the trade, and you can see that USDJPY is down. So if it continues the bearish pattern like this, then the next targeted price can be 106167, and you can see the level is already drawn on my chart. But overall guys, this is what I talk about the U-turn method. This is the U-turn method as per the signals report that I have explained in my video. Okay, one more thing guys, AUDUSD is confusing at the moment. It has taken a U-turn. I am bearish on AUDUSD, but right now you can see that still it's making a bullish pattern because New Zealand USD has moved up. And now let me switch towards the 4-hour chart. Then you will find that the market has already reached to the higher levels. So just note that if you have any open trade on AUDUSD, I suggest all traders to close the trade at the moment and wait for the next U-turn. If it breaks the entry again, and if it takes the U-turn again, then only AUDUSD can get a massive drop. But right now it looks like that it's again getting a bullish pressure and it's going into the upward direction. So this signal is just confusing here, so be careful in the case of AUDUSD. At last, I'm going to talk about the USDCHF. A sell position is taken today on USDCHF. Let me switch my chart here, and you can see a very good massive drop on this pair. 094769 was the entry, and you can see a small U-turn was taken on USDCHF, and then we have seen a massive drop, and it has hit the targeted price just now in the last 2 hours, 094378. And overall those subscribers who have taken the trades as per the trading method that I have explained in my signals report, then they should be in very good profits. Okay, and for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain. When the market comes into the top red boundary like here, you can sell the pair, but only with confirmation, because indicators helps up to 65%, not more than this. So we cannot fully rely on the indicators, but however, these are the top indicators in the market. And even look at here, when the market comes up into the top red boundary, and this is the overbought levels, we have received a rejection. And when the market goes into the lower red boundary, which is the oversold level, and if you see bullish confirmations from the red levels, then you can buy the pair. Look, the pair has moved up, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis, and hopefully you people must have caught today very good profits on the pairs. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get this powerful trading system so that it can be a essential tool for your trading, If you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for a Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.